Come along as I share my recent stay at Walt Disney World's Swan Resort. We stayed in a traditional resort view room with 2 queen beds. The bathroom had a tub shower with a single sink and vanity, an additional private vanity area outside of the bathroom, which is convenient for getting ready with multiple people. 2 queen heavenly beds, which was perfect for 2 queens like my sister and I. However, it was the view from our room that left us in awe. Check out this view. This resort really makes you feel like you are on vacation. Some of the amazing dining options are Il Mulino and Amare, plus some quick service and grab-and-go areas. However, you are also steps away from the Swan's sister resort, the Walt Disney World Dolphin Resort, which shares shopping, recreation, and additional dining options, including Shula's Steakhouse, Todd English Blue Zoo, and Rosa Mexicano, which is brand new. Let's talk location. Nestled comfortably in the Epcot Resort area, you are right next to the Walt Disney World Boardwalk, Yacht and Beach Club, and Epcot's International Gateway. That's right, you can walk to Epcot and those other resorts. There's also a bus that takes you to Magic Kingdom, Animal Kingdom, and Disney Springs. There's also the cutest transportation, the Disney minivan service, connected by Lyft. There's the fan favorite, the Friendship Boats. They take you to Hollywood Studios and Epcot. Did I mention you can walk to Epcot and Hollywood Studios? Let's go back to the food. We dined at a few restaurants and they were all amazing, especially Shula's Steakhouse for you steak lovers and football fans. If you are a French onion soup fan, you will want to check this restaurant out. Let's not forget Camp Dolphin, or those famous swan boats. Also close by is Fantasia Gardens and miniature golf. Want to lounge instead? No problem. Did I mention there's a full-service spa at the Dolphin? There are also 5 pools between the 2 resorts, including the 3-acre grotto, pool bars, and restaurants. not to mention how close you are to the magic. Did I mention this is considered a Disney Deluxe Resort? That's right, you get all of the perks and amenities of staying at a deluxe resort. Those extended evening hours just for deluxe guests? Oh, that's you. While paying moderate prices. I don't know about you, but I'm ready to go back. I need more days next time. I wish we had extended our stay. Are you ready for this kind of magic? Message me today and let's get you there.